Okay, put your hands. My hips need to go.
You better hit me in the nuts.
Are you ready to hold on to it?
Yeah, but how are your legs gonna go on there? How are your legs gonna?
I don't know.
You better look at the picture again. Before you
He's like
kill me.
holding your hips up with his feet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try something else.
He's also shorter.
I know. Here.
Maybe if I just put my knees, I can use your hips. What are you doing?
Trying to do a backpack because she has her legs like over.
You better. Dude, you're gonna kill me. You're killing me.
Okay, hold me up. I'm laughing too hard. Okay, okay.
What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. Get up.
Don't do that, just hold me.
I can't. I don't know what you're doing. You're like, you don't know what you're doing.
No, I don't know what I'm doing. Look at, let me show you what I'm doing.